a need for so many basic things in the water-ravaged state of Texas. This need is all about personal hygiene and dignity. In this case, ABC 15's Sonu Wasu shows us how one Valley mom is taking action to make this happen.
What they really need to keep people's dignity is underwear.
A very basic clothing item all of us wear every single day. The evacuees in Texas are desperately in need of underwear. Volunteers working at shelters in Texas have been putting out the call for help.
Just the idea of being able to have fresh underwear made them feel better.
That is what they're collecting in this Scottsdale real estate office. You can see the donations are already starting to come in. Ruth Wax, an associate broker at Berkshire Hathaway Arizona Properties, learned about this need firsthand after hearing stories from her children evacuated from their home in Texas.
This is one small thing. You start with underwear from the bottom up.
From the bottom up, that is what she's calling this effort. Just one way to take action to help all of the people who had to leave their homes, grabbing what they could in a hurry. We spoke to her daughter-in-law who suffered minor flood damage. She's now dedicating her time to helping others stuck in a shelter.
There are currently 25,000 evacuees in shelters statewide right now. People didn't have time to grab anything. It's horrific. So underwear is the last thing that you think of, but it's really critical and important.
They're looking for all shapes and sizes, underwear for men, women, and children. If you'd like to help, we'll post the address where you can drop off donations on abc15.com. You'll find it under top stories. In Scottsdale, Sonu Wasu, ABC 15, Arizona.
Some of the things you just don't think of. Sonu, thank you. Right now.